Good way to start off the new year right here. Woo, man, it's a big day for me. I've always loved these wheels, and finally gonna have my own set. So we're gonna open them up. I'll show you guys real quick. This is gonna be my first look at them. Before I show you these, saying goodbye to the Titan 7s. They've been awesome wheels, forged wheels, at a good price. But I really want to change the look of the car, and this is the best way to do it right here. And we're doing it big. Whew, man, I am excited. Let's go. Straight from Japan. Just kidding, I got these from a shop called ABS Auto Body in LA. Shout out to those guys. I've seen a lot of guys get their wheels from them, their Volk racing wheels from them, so went ahead and picked them up. They also had the best price on these, so alright guys, here we go. God damn. Alright, that looks good. Damn, alright. That's gonna look so sick. So this is the, I think it's called Press Double Black. Yeah, it's Press Double Black TE37SL 18 by 11. I went with 18s because I really don't like the step lip that the 19s have. They have like a deep, kind of like a deep dish, and the face is a little bit more flat. This is like pretty concave. The front one's gonna be even more concave. This is, I think, a plus 37 offset. So it's gonna, these are specifically made for the F80s and the F82s. So it's the perfect spec for this car. So it's gonna fit just nice. Damn, this color is beautiful. I love the glossy black. One of the biggest things with the Titan 7s that I just wasn't enjoying anymore is how dirty they get. Because they're satin, everything just sticks really. The first drive I take it out, just everything really sticks to it really well, and they always look very dull, like it does right now. So these right here, they're being glossy, a lot easier to clean, so it's gonna just really change the look of the car, but still being a track wheel. And also this lip, it's like, it's not even chrome, which I really like. I was kind of worried because I'm not a big fan of chrome. This is like, I don't know, it's like a gunmetal. So it's like a gunmetal lip. I guess it's like, it's got like a black tint to the chrome. So super nice. These don't come with center caps. These aren't supposed to have center caps. These are the lightweight versions, so they're meant to be as light as possible, so they don't design it to have center caps. I know they sell like an adapter where you can do it, but I'm just gonna run without center caps, honestly. So I'm gonna pull it out, show you guys if I can get this out. Alright guys, look at how fat that thing is. I've seen people fit up to like a 315 on here on the F80s, which I was gonna get some, but they only came in a 30. It was a 315/30, and it was a Falcon. And it was like a 100 treadwear tire, pretty much an R compound. So I didn't want to run that because I drive this every day, and also didn't want to run R888s for the same reason that they're not good in the rain. It's been raining a lot here lately, almost 4 or 5 days a week. So I went with Toyo Prox Sports, which would be a good like all-weather tire, I guess, but still kind of sporty. So in that one, I can only get a 295/35. So we're gonna go a little bit meatier instead of the 30 on the 19s that I have. It's gonna look so good, guys. Woo! These are sick, and we've got some ceramic coating that's gonna go on here. I'm gonna take them to the tire shop first because they're closed in a little while, so I really want to get these on. So we're gonna go ahead and drop these off at the tire shop. Man, these are sick. Woo. Shout out to ABS Auto Body, man. Volks Racing, Fords, beautiful wheel. I love this. This color combo on the white is gonna look so good. I debated on mag blue, but I feel like it would look cool at first, but I think I'd grow tired of it. Bronze would look really nice too, but that's a pretty common look, the bronze. So these for me, these were it. I really do like these. I can't wait to see them on. So let's go ahead and get these loaded, drop off the car at the tire shop, and get them installed. Alright guys, we're back from the tire shop. Damn, these look so sick. I freaking love the color. I really love the color. It is so nice. Especially like the fact that this isn't actual chrome. I know it looks chrome probably on the video, but it's like a tinted chrome. It's a really nice color, really nice touch. I'm not a big fan of chrome, so I'm glad they come in like that tint. I guess that's why I call it pressed double black. I'm assuming, because this is kind of like a black tint. But it looks super good. One of my favorite things about these wheels too is the fact that they come with like these black tinted chrome decals instead of like the red or the green. I don't know, there's a bunch of different colors, but these actually are my favorite. They're a little bit more like low-key, not too flashy, which is gonna look really good on these wheels. It's gonna look super clean. Man, they look so freaking good. I'm running Toyo Proc Sports. I didn't want to run R888s because I do daily this. I drive like 70 miles round trip every day to work, and those tires just do not last. I really want to do half-mile race events, so what I'm gonna do is order a set of R888s when the time comes, just for the rear, so I can get that good traction. But for daily driving, this is gonna be real sick, real nice. So I cannot wait. We're gonna get these stickers on, and then also in here I have a ceramic coating that I ordered from Amazon. So we're gonna go ahead and ceramic coat the wheels, that way they stay nice and clean, but these are honestly gonna be really easy to keep. All right, so we got the wheels all nice and cleaned up now, looking really good. And here I got this ceramic kit for wheels, just ordered off Amazon, as you can tell. So I'm gonna open this up and apply it. It should be pretty straightforward. I'm gonna link this down below if anyone's interested in this. It's pretty cheap, it's not too expensive, just for the wheels, so it'll do the job. Open this up. Alright, so here we got the kit. Let's see what we got inside. So we got the little application sponge right here, and then the actual ceramic. It goes on the wheels, and it's got some instructions, and then really nice towel, like a little microfiber towel, really nice. Some gloves, some white gloves, and then some more lint freeze. I already had my own, so I already wiped it down with my own lint freeze. So just some more lint freeze. It's cool, it comes with that. Usually they don't come with that, or gloves, so that's kind of cool. It's got some instructions here. So we'll go ahead and read those real quick, and then we'll go ahead and apply the ceramic coating. So the lint freeze that it came with is actually so you can wrap around the sponge. And then we got the ceramic coating right here. It's got this little like top, so just lift that up, and then it says just to apply 4 droplets to the sponge. 1, 2, 4 right there. And then you just want to apply it to the area. You could see it going on, so you can see if you like miss the spot. You just want to make sure you get like full coverage. And it just says like, as you can tell like when it's running out of product or when it's not getting applied to the wheel, so just apply some more, but it should be enough to cover quite a bit of area. You don't need a whole lot. Alright, it says once you apply it where you want it, then you use the microfiber it came with and just kind of gently buff off the excess. It says gently, so I'm not pressing too hard, just kind of taking off any excess. So any like streaks, you can see as you're going, you can tell like where there's streaks. So you just want to clean that off so it doesn't dry like that. Because I think if it dries like that, you'll see the streaks still. They'll stay there. So the wheel's definitely a little bit shinier. I don't know if you guys can tell. But even like this decal in here, it was like a satin before. Now it's got like a little bit of a shine to it. A little bit more of a shine to it. But you can see there's like no streaks anymore. It's like a little bit right here maybe. So just look it over. Looks good though, and then you just let it dry and that's it. I think I am gonna do the barrel since this kit comes with a lot. Like you only need a couple droplets, and this is a pretty big bottle, so I think I am gonna do the barrels. Might as well. I'm gonna do all the faces first and then go back and do the barrels. So. Alright, so we got the wheels all ceramic coated. I actually ended up going ahead and doing the inside of the barrels as well. You can kind of see a little bit of the streaks and how shiny it is now. Before it was like really flat. Now it's got like a nice little shine to it, and that's just the ceramic coating. It makes everything a little bit more glossy, which is nice. And here you guys can see the specs of the wheels. These are the rears, 18 by 11 plus 34. Pretty fat wheel, but really light for being so big. But yeah, these are all nice and ceramic coated, looking extra glossy. I have a lot of the ceramic coating actually left, so I'll be able to use it on future stuff that I get, carbon lip, stuff like that, which is nice. This was actually pretty inexpensive, which is cool. I think it was like 30 bucks, like 2-day shipping. That's actually why I chose this one. It was like the fastest one that would get to my house, and I needed it pretty fast. But it works out. I'll let you guys know how I like it, but I'll link it down in the description if you guys want to pick that up. So let's go ahead and get these bad boys on the car. I do have the Lug Stud Conversion Kit. I did this off camera. I didn't do a video on this. Just didn't have the time, but I went ahead and put this. I'm gonna be running this 5mm spacer I have on here already. I'm gonna leave that on there. See how it looks. On the rear, I'm not gonna run a spacer. I'm gonna see how it looks with just the offsets that I got. But if I need to, I'll run a 5 or 10mm spacer. I got a couple spacers laying around, so we can play around with that stuff. Alright guys, there it is. It's actually the next day. It got a little too dark on me and I had to wash the car still, but it is nice and clean now. Here's the first look at the wheels on the car. Ooh, man. They look really good. They actually have a metallic in it. I never really noticed because this is the first time I see them out in the sun. And they have like a little bit of like a glitter metallic, I guess you can call it. It looks really good. Actually, they look really good with the brakes too. With my old wheels, you couldn't really see the brakes too much, and now they kind of stand out a little bit more now. But together, it just looks really good. I'm really happy with the outcome. I think the 18s look really good. Man, it looks good. I also changed out my mirror caps. I had the carbon ones, but I think the white ones look a little bit better. There's a lot of black and white like accents going on. I think the mirror caps in white just kind of evens everything out a little bit. But super happy with how it came out. Sorry, it's pretty bright out here, but this is like my favorite angle right here. Just super aggressive. Beautiful wheels.